New York's JFK Airport looks like a circus show with all the lights. Here, airplanes from all over the world move around like ghosts in the night. It is the end of February. The temperature is a steady 32 degrees Fahrenheit. And the conditions are perfect for wing ice accumulation. Dozens of planes line up for de-icing. The result is that all planes were delayed for departure by as much as 2 hours. That was no problem for me because flight safety is of paramount importance. With slush starting to show on the windows, we're glad to be moving and head for our assigned takeoff runway. The takeoff run begins. Barely off the ground, we do not get to see the city lights for very long, as we disappear into the clouds on our way to Europe.